Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the eager versus lazy versus preloading. How does Angular decide? So, eager loading modules that are imported in the root app module and loaded immediately when the app starts, that we call it as eager loading. Lazy loading uses load children in the route definition. Modules are split and loaded only when the route is activated. Preloading use preloaded all modules or a custom preloading strategy to load modules in the background after the app starts. So, eager loading, what is this? Modules are loaded immediately when the application starts at the bootstrap. How? By default, any module imported and declared in the app module is eagerly loaded like this. Okay, so here it is eagerly loaded. Angular decision. If the module is directly referenced in the app module, Angular eagerly loads it. Cons. Increase the initial bundle size, lower the app start time. Lazy loading. What it is? Modules are loaded on demand only when the user navigates to the specific route. How? Using the load children with the dynamic import syntax in the route configuration like this. Angular decision. If the route uses load children, Angular set it up for the lazy loading. The module is excluded from the main bundle. Pros: smaller initial bundle, faster initial load. Cons: initial delay when the navigation to lazy route for the first time. Extra complexity, especially with the shared services or the guards. Preloading, what is it? Preloading combines the lazy loading plus the background loading. Lazy loaded modules are fetched in the background after the app load. How? Set up using the router module for the routes preloading strategy like this. Angular decision. If a module is lazy loaded but you specify preloading strategy, Angular loads it after app load, not on the route navigation. Pros: faster navigation without hurting initial load much. Best for the both worlds, lazy plus faster user experience. Cons: still consume some network in the background. Need to be cautious with the large modules. Tips for the interviews: that how does Angular decide how to load a module? So it depends on how the module is wired up in the app. Direct import, that is eager. Load children in the routes, that is lazy. And the lazy plus preload strategy, preloaded after the app bootstrap. Okay, so anybody asking about this question, so please you can answer like this. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video we are going to learn about the router outlet and how it can be multiple.